back.
Guys, Tyrone, this is Mamo Man. I am not controlling you. Is that right, Tyrone?
Damn straight, bro. I want to say we start with some crowd work.
Okay, that's a great idea, Tyrone.
What's up, motherfucker? What's your name?
Yes. Okay, what do you do for a living, Josh?
Well, hold on, Josh. Before you answer that, let me guess. I'm thinking either a rapper, a basketball player, or probably something gang affiliated.
Whoa.
Actually, none of those. I'm actually a cop. Oh, shit. I'm assuming you don't eat fried chicken and watermelon as well.
You know what this remind me of, bro? This remind me of that Key and Air episode with the goddamn talking puppet that were trying to get old boy to confess to his murders and stuff like that. He started all back on it. Hey, what's your name? Okay, what do you for, Josh?
Well, hold on, Josh. Before you answer that, let me guess. I'm thinking either a rapper, a basketball player, or probably something gang affiliated.
Whoa. Tyrone?
No, actually none of those. I'm actually a cop.
Oh, shit.
I'm assuming you don't eat fried chicken and watermelon as well.
Oh, chill.
Alright, Mark. These jokes are actually kind of racist.
It's not me, Josh. Like I said, I'm not controlling Tyrone. He's his own person.
That's right. This honky don't control me. Central plantation.
Oh my God!
Mark, stop with the racism.
I'm not saying I said oh, Tyrone.
Oh, no! Oh, look at the showing up there.
That man, Mark, I ain't seen this. Bro, hey, look at this bro fucking showing up like
Showing up
late.
that man, Mark, I ain't seen that shit. I've never seen that. That lady don't fuck you on control.
Black Joe vibe. I don't want to say that. All he ever said the N-word. I think he said, believe me.
Let me do
What goddamn hands? Hell no.
Like Joe Biden, I'm the one saying that. If this honky ever said the N-word, I think he said, believe me.
Oh my God, my hands hurt. Oh my God.
I ain't got ear. How the hell sound? It's so bad. It's so
Oh my God, bro. He just shot himself.
Oh,
Oh shit, it's the cops.